Good morning. Recap of what is left of yesterday's snowstorm. Our streets are clear, dry, and it's actually pretty nice out. This probably would have been the day for Bub's dad to do his dare from his son of jumping in the snow, in case some of you didn't see it yesterday. Really cold, in the 20s, and he jumped in the snow in a pair of shorts. Only word that comes to my mind is idiot, and he's my son. As you can see, the sky is blue. Oh, Mr. Bub's gone off with his dad to get a haircut. Granddaughter's off to volleyball. Grandson, the oldest grandson, is off to hang out with his dad. And Mom's going to the hairdresser. And Nanny is going to have a quiet morning. Got a few things I need to get done, so it'll be a good time to do it. The baby is with his mom. So, and that about sums it up. Hopefully, spring is coming. I'll be able to get some better videos. Go down by the historical district and the waterfront and that kind of thing. Me and Mom venture out more in the spring and the summer. Taking our car back to her today. I don't know why. I'm going to be picking it up tonight because got a 5 to 8 inch snowstorm coming tomorrow. So, well, tonight into tomorrow. 5 to 8, and then rain, a little bit of rain, and then possibly another storm on top of that Monday and Tuesday. So we shall see. Mother Nature needs to wake up and get off the pot and bring on spring. Alrighty, everybody. Have a good one. Bye.